So about 2 years ago, I was at Lowe's and they were closing out these benches along with a lot of other stuff. So I thought, well, they look pretty good, made out of wrought iron and wood. You could tell the wood was pine, but I think I give like maybe $25 a piece for these things, and it had been $100, something like that. I'm not sure of the prices, but you get the idea. Within a year, they looked horrible. Within 2 years, they started to rot. So I decided, rather than throw them away like a lot of people do, that I'd just refinish them. Probably got as much in refinishing them as what I paid for them, probably more than that. But they turned out really, really good. And with the wood that I used to redo it, where they used a soft pine, I used a cedar.
So this is day one. This is all I'm going to get done. Years ago, I bought one of these, about two of them actually. Lowe's was getting rid of them. I think I give $25 for that one and $25 for that one, both of which rotted out in no time. So I found these cedar boards. They were 1x3s at Home Depot. We don't have a lot of wood that will winter well here that we can buy, but cedar's one of them. And this side's smooth. This side's rough. I don't have to get them perfect, but I want to get some of the roughness out. Because if I got them perfect, then they would be even thinner than what they are. And so even though it looks rough, it's smooth. I put stain down in there deep enough. And then put a clear coat. I'm hoping that'll do it. So, that's that part. Okay, I done the rough edge first. And I have saturated. I sort of wish I'd have went lighter, but oh well, it is what it is. It's walnut. And that's that stain, which I've used before. Two of them, I sanded one edge down smoother. And of course they're upside down as well, being dried. But sanding them smooth because they're going to go on the front. You don't want a sharp edge on the front.
So this is the first one that I finished. I replaced every one of the little screws in the center two brackets. They had little cheap wood screws. I replaced them with stainless steel carriage bolts, and I also did the same on the sides. It's got a walnut stain. And in addition to that walnut stain is the back, which I painted it copper color. I sprayed it, but I painted it copper color. Then for the wrought iron sides, I redone them in a hammered black Rustoleum. And so that's what it ended up turning out looking like. It should last for years now. Corrected the cheapness of the little bolts, or the screws that I replaced with bolts, along with the type of wood that I used to refinish it. The second one turned out, and it looks a lot like the first one, and then there's a reason for that. I bought enough walnut stain to do them both. The cast iron sides have been painted again with the Rustoleum hammered black. The difference being, they use the same bolts, and the bolts, by the way, were $21.60 at Home Depot. The back on this one, you might think looks just like the other back, but it's not. This one's done out of a gold paint. And it's a very shiny paint. My wife liked it. So at first I was going to change it to pewter, but she was quite happy with the gold. And you know how that goes, guys. If mama's happy, everybody's happy. So I was just tickled. But these should last me now for a good long time. And that's about it.